Go Carpet Cleaning in Duluth, Georgia. Testimonials. We focus on office and residential carpet cleaning, utilizing only natural, eco-friendly solutions that are safe for your loved ones and beloved pets. Our team is dedicated to supplying quality service that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and brand new. Today there are numerous delighted customers who rely heavily upon our qualified specialists, due to the fact that nothing gets easier than having an expert clean. Look at our reviews to see how we're able to effectively clean even the most stubborn dirt and grime.
My carpet needed help. It hadn't been cleaned since COVID. I called Go Carpet Cleaning. Gal came to clean the carpet. He was very professional. He brought a blue light to locate pet stains. My carpet looks and smells great. He did a wonderful job. I will call him again in the future.
Came out with short notice, on time. Very professional, the best.
Our standard carpet cleaning uses cleaning products that efficiently get spots and stains out, and they're specifically effective at cleaning up greatly stained high traffic areas through your house. When utilizing our environmentally friendly solutions, leave your home smelling fresh with a no chemical smell or residue left behind for you and pets. We do more than carpet cleaning. Go Carpet Cleaning can take care of dirt and grime in your rug. Simply give us a call and let us know that you're interested in stain removal for your Oriental rugs, and we'll arrange a visit for you. For carpet cleaning and more services in Duluth and surrounding areas, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.